Cricket is riding shotgun. Cricket, you want to come, Mama? Okay, there she is. Say hi, everybody. So hi guys, welcome back to another edition of Palette Tune Trivia, and this is for the month of April 2021 edition of Palette Tune Trivia. So let's do this thing. We are rolling right along, and I wanted to go ahead and get this recorded. I am recording this a little bit early. You won't see this for a while because like I said, I am recording it early because you don't ever know when I'm ever going to leave the house again. So while I was in a sit down, baby, sit down, sit baby, sit, good girl. Oh my goodness, you're such a good girl. Yes you are. Oh my goodness, John's already bought flowers. Okay, well, there we go. John is hauling mulch today, and I have got to go and pick up his dinner. And so anyway, while I was going and picking up his dinner, and I knew what the Palette Tune Trivia was going to be for April, I decided while I was leaving at the house, I was going to record this video. So we are running up to the Thai food restaurant. So I hope that everybody's doing good on this Saturday afternoon. It is a sunny day in Indianapolis. It's absolutely glorious outside. I am not wearing a jacket, which I might ought to, but it's 59 degrees outside, and I'm not gonna really be outside. I'm just gonna be running in to pick up food for my dear sweetheart. So thirsty. So yeah, if you don't know anything about Palette Tune Trivia, it is a little game that I play on my channel. I do this once a month, where it's in a car vlog style. And I don't know what I have pushed on this camera, but in the viewfinder of this camera, I'm using a Canon G7X, and somehow or other I have got lines on the viewfinder. Don't know how. Some button I've punched. This is the story of my life. I'm always punching a button. Usually it's somebody's button. I'm usually punching someone's button. So, yeah, that I shouldn't be punching. It's usually a human's button. But this time I punched a camera's button, and for some reason, now I've got lines on the viewfinder that I don't even know why they're there, or what purpose or function they are serving, but whoops. Yeah, I've got lines. But anyway, I am I love this game. It's something I think that I have never seen anybody else play this. As far as I know, I've come up with this, but it's a game where I take something about a palette, the name of a palette. What I try to do is take the name of a palette and I tie it somehow to a song, either the name of the artist. What I'd like to do is tie it to the name of the song if I can, or the lyrics in the song, or the name of the artist that sings the song. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And today I have a really fun one. Okay, so we're gonna get started with the song and the trivia, and so here we go. Well, I lived on the outskirts of town, in an 8-room farmhouse, baby, with my brother's friends around. There was always something doing. Had me a couple of real nice girlfriends, somebody to see me every once in a while. When I think back about those days, all I can do is sit and smile, 'cause that's when the smoke was a smoke and grooving was grooving and dancing was everything. We were young and we were improving, laughing, laughing with our friends. Holding hands meant something, baby, outside the club. There you go. The next word is in the name of the palette. Is the name of the palette. It's plastered right all over the front of the palette. Okay. I hope that you had fun playing along with Palette Tune Trivia, and I hope that you've enjoyed this edition for April 2021. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. All you have to do is click on the big red subscribe button down below and become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. Thank you so much for joining in to today's edition, and I look so forward to seeing you in my next video. And I look forward to seeing you in May's edition of Palette Tune Trivia. Be looking for my clues for the next palette that we will be gifting in Palette Tune Trivia over on IG. Join me there at Unfiltered_50s. Sign up over there and follow me along on my social there for hints and clues as to the May's palette that will be given away for Palette Tune Trivia. I'll see you over there, and I look forward to seeing you in my next YouTube video, guys. Bye till next time.